You want to lose weight? So do I. Do you want to eat something very special and delicious? So do I. This recipe is for you and me. And let's make roulade. Roulade? Roulade is a French word which actually means a small bite of a roll. Today we will make two variations of roulade. One is spinach roulade and the other is beetroot roulade. So welcome to Adarsh's kitchen and let's get cooking. So number one thing to do here is, the first thing to do here is to make a flat bread for whichever vegetable we are using. Today, as I said, we are using spinach and beetroot, but we can make it from any vegetable, especially those vegetables which you really want your family to eat, but the family members may not agree. The children don't want those. So anything you can make a flat bread at home. Ghia, tinda, tori, these are all green vegetables and we can make it. So four main steps for the flat bread. Number one, wash and blanch or boil and cut it finely. Number two, make it dry. Drain the water out. Add cheese and egg. Number three, knead it, make a dough and roll it out. Last, put it in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. For the filling, the choice is entirely yours. You can add anything that you like. Lamb, fish, chicken, or any milk product like paneer, that is cottage cheese. So it's really up to you. So first we begin to make the flat bread for the spinach. Now this is about 2 cups of spinach. I have already washed it, blanched it and put it in the processor and chopped it very fine. I will now check if there is any water residue in this. Oh, there's lots of water in this. This water I'll keep aside and use it while making the filling if there is any water needed. I will not throw away because this has a lot of nutrients in it. So this has been now reduced to almost 1 cup. So our ingredients are ready. This is the spinach which is finely cut and the water is drained out of this. This is 35 grams of mozzarella cheese, 1 egg. This one is half cup boiled and mashed beetroot, 20 grams of mozzarella cheese and 1 egg. So we give it a mix. To add some spices, black pepper. You can make it more spicy if you like. A little salt. The cheese has some salt in it already, so we put little according to our taste. And any aromatic seasoning, I'm putting Italian thyme. So our trays are ready and we will pour the mixture on it. So this is our parchment paper. It's a special baking paper. There are any solid pieces, we should take them out. So these flat breads are now ready to be put into the oven. My oven is already preheated at 200 degrees Celsius. I will put them in for about 10 minutes. So we now start cooking the filling for our rolls and roulade. These are entirely our choice, whatever we want the filling to be. Mushrooms. I can add some chilies. These are very special Mexican chilies. 1 spoon garlic. We can actually have a nice color combination for the roulade. If the outer cover is green, like in spinach, so we can have some red colored vegetables filling inside. And if the outer color of the covering is pink and red like beetroot, then we can have some green fillings, for example bell peppers, or we can have color combination of the bites so that it looks attractive as well. Some onions, the 3 colored bell peppers, green, yellow, red, few carrots, half teaspoon ground cumin powder, half teaspoon mango powder, paprika, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper. I have some firm tofu. I'm going to crumble that as well. So look at all the colors in this filling. So the spinach and beetroot flat bread is out of the oven, and I will wait for this to get cooled. Meanwhile, I will give final touches to the vegetables we prepared. So the vegetable filling that I made, I'm going to give it 1 pulse so that it is easier to roll it. So now the final step. First goes in a layer of hummus. You can add anything here which you have at home. If you have any other dip or mint chutney, even that's okay. So next, the layer of the veggies. Next, 1 layer of egg. I have put in salt and pepper also in the egg. And finally, some cheese. Here I am putting the cheddar cheese. The egg and the cheese will help in binding. And now this I will start to roll. Very gently. So this roll is ready. I will put it in the oven again for about 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Similarly, I will prepare the other roll now. So our rolls are ready, and now they go into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 5 to 7 minutes. So our rolls are out of the oven and they have cooled down. So I will now slice them to make small bites. Okay, they look so tempting. I just can't wait. So let me take a bite and see how it tastes. You gotta eat to believe it. So creamy, so soft, so nutritious. Imagine if I have it in the fridge and I take one in the morning, so much nutrition has gone in. Who eats spinach in the morning? I mean, so much nutrition in the morning. So people just grab maybe a croissant, or they miss their breakfast, or they have tea after tea. A healthier option. And guys, don't forget to subscribe.